Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast, Learn English with Simple Stories.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. If you are learning English, you are in the right place.
Yes, today's episode is very special. We will learn English with a simple story.
And don't worry, we will go slow, we will repeat, and we will help you understand everything step by step.
So relax, listen carefully, and speak with us.
And hey, if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to follow and share this podcast with your friends.
All right, let's start learning English together.
Part 1. Listen. Okay, first, just listen. No pressure, just listen to the story.
Here we go. This is a story about Ravi. Ravi wakes up early in the morning. He wakes up at 6 a.m. He says, "Good morning." He drinks a glass of water. Then he goes to the kitchen. His quick breakfast is a banana and tea. After breakfast, Ravi gets ready for work. He wears a blue shirt and black pants. He leaves his house at 8 a.m. He goes to work by bus. At work, he says hello to his friends. He works on his computer. In the evening, Ravi comes back home. He eats dinner with his family. Then he watches TV and sleeps early. That is Ravi's simple day.
Part 2. Discuss and learn phrases. Nice. That was simple, right?
Yes. Now let's break it down and learn some useful phrases.
First phrase, wake up.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Say it with me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good job.
Next phrase, good morning.
We say good morning when we meet someone in the morning.
Example, good morning, Mom.
Now you try. Good morning. Next, quick breakfast.
A quick breakfast means a fast, simple breakfast.
Example, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Repeat, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Perfect.
Next phrase, get ready.
Get ready means to prepare yourself.
Example, I get ready for school.
Your turn. I get ready for school. Next, go to work.
Example, I go to work at 9 a.m.
Repeat with us. I go to work at 9 a.m.
Next phrase, come back home.
Example, I come back home in the evening.
Say it, I come back home in the evening.
Last phrase, go to sleep.
Example, I go to sleep at 10 p.m.
Repeat, I go to sleep at 10 p.m. Part 3, real life practice.
Now let's make it real.
Yes, we will talk like friends. Ronald, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Nice. My quick breakfast is tea and toast.
Oh, that sounds good. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Do you go to work early?
Yes, I go to work at 9 a.m.
Great.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions. What time do you wake up? What is your quick breakfast? When do you go to work or school?
Say your answers out loud. Don't be shy.
Good job. You are improving already.
Part 4. Listen again. Now listen again. This time you will understand more.
Yes, listen carefully. Ravi wakes up early in the morning. He says good morning. He drinks water. His quick breakfast is a banana and tea. He gets ready for work. He wears a blue shirt. He goes to work by bus. At work, he says hello to his friends. In the evening, Ravi comes back home. He eats dinner and watches TV. Then he goes to sleep early.
Did you understand better this time?
I think yes. You are doing great.
Part 5, News Story, Daily Life Conversation Practice.
All right, now let's continue with a new simple story. Just listen first. Yes, relax and listen. This is a story about Meena. Meena lives in a small city. She wakes up at 7 a.m. She says good morning to her mother. She washes her face and brushes her teeth. Then she goes to the kitchen. Her breakfast is bread and milk. She says, "This is my simple breakfast." After breakfast, Meena gets ready for college. She wears a white dress and carries a bag. She leaves her house at 8:30 a.m. She walks to the bus stop. She waits for the bus. The bus comes and she gets on the bus. She sits near the window. She looks outside and smiles. At college, she meets her friends. She says, "Hello, how are you?" Her friend says, "I am fine." They go to class together. They listen to the teacher. In the afternoon, Meena eats lunch. Her lunch is rice and vegetables. She says, "The food is good." After class, she goes back home. She feels a little tired. In the evening, she helps her mother. She makes tea. At night, she studies for 1 hour. Then she goes to sleep. That is Meena's day. Part 6, Discuss and Practice Phrases. Nice and simple, right? Yes, now let's learn some useful sentences from the story. First sentence, I wash my face. This means you clean your face with water. Example, I wash my face in the morning. Repeat. I wash my face in the morning. Next sentence. I brush my teeth. Example. I brush my teeth every day. Say it. I brush my teeth every day. Next. I get ready for college. Example. I get ready for college at 8 a.m. Repeat. I get ready for college at 8 a.m. Next phrase. I wait for the bus. Example. I wait for the bus every morning. Say it. I wait for the bus every morning. Next. I meet my friends. Example. I meet my friends at school. Repeat. I meet my friends at school. Next sentence. The food is good. Example. The food is good today. Say it. The food is good today. Last phrase. I feel tired. Example. I feel tired in the evening. Repeat. I feel tired in the evening. Part 7. Speaking practice. Real conversation. Now let's practice speaking. Yes, answer with us. Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Yes, I brush my teeth every morning. Now you say it. Do you wait for a bus or go by bike? I wait for the bus. Your turn. Speak out loud. Do you meet your friends every day? Yes, I meet my friends at school. Now you try. What do you eat for lunch? I eat rice and vegetables. Your turn. Do you feel tired in the evening? Yes, I feel tired. Say your answer. Very good. Keep speaking. Yes, you are improving step by step. Part 8. Listen again. Better understanding. Now listen again. This time, try to understand more. Mina wakes up at 7 a.m. She washes her face and brushes her teeth. She eats a simple breakfast. She gets ready for college. She waits for the bus. She meets her friends. She eats lunch and says the food is good. In the evening, she comes back home. She helps her mother and feels tired. At night, she studies and goes to sleep. Was it easier this time? I think yes. You are doing great.
Part 9. New story. Daily routine plus conversation practice. Listen carefully. This is a new simple story.
Just listen first. No need to speak right now.
This is a story about Arjun. Arjun lives in a big city. He wakes up at 6:30 a.m. He sits on his bed and says, "Good morning." He feels fresh. He drinks a glass of water. Then he stands up. He goes to the bathroom. He washes his face. He brushes his teeth. He looks in the mirror and smiles. After that, he goes to the kitchen. His mother is in the kitchen. She says, "Good morning, Arjun." Arjun says, "Good morning, Mom." His breakfast is simple. He eats bread and eggs. He drinks tea. He says, "This is a nice breakfast." After breakfast, he gets ready for work. He wears a clean shirt and black pants. He checks his bag. He puts his phone in his pocket. He leaves his house at 8 a.m. He walks to the bus stop. He waits for the bus. The bus arrives. He gets on the bus. He finds a seat. He sits near the window. He looks outside. He sees people, shops, and cars. He feels happy. At work, he meets his coworkers. He says, "Hello, how are you?" They say, "We are fine." He starts his work. He works on his computer. At lunchtime, he eats food. He eats rice and vegetables. He says the food is good. After work, he feels tired. He goes back home. In the evening, he sits with his family. He talks with them. He says today was a busy day. At night, he watches TV. Then he goes to sleep early. That is Arjun's day. Part 10. Phrase practice. Understand plus speak.
Nice story, right?
Yes. Now let's learn useful sentences.
First sentence. I feel fresh.
Example. I feel fresh in the morning.
Repeat. I feel fresh in the morning.
Next. I look in the mirror.
Example. I look in the mirror every day.
Say it. I look in the mirror every day.
Next. I check my bag.
Example. I check my bag before work.
Repeat. I check my bag before work.
Next. I get on the bus.
Example. I get on the bus at 8 a.m.
Say it. I get on the bus at 8 a.m.
Next. I find a seat.
Example. I find a seat near the window.
Repeat. I find a seat near the window.
Next. I start my work.
Example. I start my work in the morning.
Say it. I start my work in the morning.
Next. I feel tired.
Example. I feel tired after work.
Repeat. I feel tired.
Part 11. Real conversation practice. Now let's speak together.
Answer with us. Do you feel fresh in the morning?
Yes, I feel fresh in the morning.
Now you say it.
Do you check your bag before leaving?
Yes, I check my bag.
Your turn.
Do you get on a bus or use a bike?
I get on the bus.
Now you answer.
Do you feel tired after work or school?
Yes, I feel tired.
Say your answer.
Good job. Keep going.
You are speaking more confidently now. Part 12. Listen again. Stronger understanding.
Now listen again.
Arjun wakes up early. He feels fresh. He washes his face and brushes his teeth. He eats breakfast. He gets ready for work. He checks his bag. He gets on the bus. He finds a seat. He starts his work. He eats lunch. He feels tired. He goes back home. He talks with his family. Then he goes to sleep.
Was that easier?
Yes, you are improving. Part 13. Speaking drill. Repeat and build confidence.
Now repeat after us. I wake up early. I feel fresh. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I get ready. I check my bag. I go to work. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I start my work. I eat lunch. I feel tired. I go back home. I talk with my family. I go to sleep.
Again, one more time.
I wake up early. I feel fresh. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I get ready. I check my bag. I go to work. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I start my work. I eat lunch. I feel tired. I go back home. I talk with my family. I go to sleep.
Great work. You are speaking full sentences now.
Now let's create your story.
Answer step by step.
I wake up at. I eat blank for breakfast. I go to blank. I meet blank. I eat blank for lunch. I feel blank in the evening. I go to sleep at blank.
Say your full story now. Take your time. Speak slowly.
Very nice. Even small sentences are okay.
Practice every day. You will improve.
Wrap up, Stephanie.
Let's quickly review what we learned today.
We learned wake up, good morning, quick breakfast, get ready, go to work, come back home, go to sleep.
These are very useful daily English phrases.
Try to use them every day. Practice is the key.
And remember, small steps every day bring big results.
You don't need perfect English. Just speak.
Yes, mistakes are okay. Learning is important.
Before we go, here's a question for you. What time do you wake up in the morning?
Tell us your answer in the comments. We would love to hear from you.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.